Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Word error insufficient memory or disk. So friends, to fix this error, firstly press Windows key plus R. Now type %signed app data and %signed. Then click on OK. Now inside this folder, click on Microsoft. Now scroll down and click on templates. Now friends, you need to show hidden file. So click on view, options, change folder and search options, view, and uncheck this box, hide extensions for non-file types. So friends, you need to uncheck this box. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Now you will see a folder normal.m. So right click on it and click on rename. Now you need to remove this extension like .m and replace with old or any another name and press enter. If this type of dialog box will open, so click on yes. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully by this easy and simple method, this error will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video. Please friends comment this video is work for you or not and subscribe the channel for latest update.